Men over 60, let me ask you a personal question. Do you ever wake up feeling less energetic, less strong, or even noticing changes in your morning vitality? You're not alone. This is something millions of men experience as they age. But here's the good news. Sometimes, one simple vitamin at bedtime can help support circulation, hormones, and yes, even bring back those strong mornings you thought were gone. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decline, blood vessels lose flexibility, and sleep quality worsens. All of this affects energy, strength, and sexual health. But here's something interesting. Science shows that giving your body the right nutrients before bed, when the body repairs and restores itself, can actually improve morning vitality. The vitamin I want you to know about is vitamin D3, sometimes called the sunshine vitamin. Here's why. Studies have linked vitamin D deficiency to low testosterone in men over 60. Low vitamin D also weakens bones, muscles, and even mood. Taking vitamin D in the evening helps your body use it overnight for hormone balance and recovery. If you combine it with magnesium and vitamin K2, it works even better, improving circulation, supporting blood vessel flexibility, and helping your body make the most of testosterone. But before we talk about what to add, let's quickly cover what to avoid. Certain foods silently damage men's vitality after 60. Processed meats like bacon, hot dogs, and sausages are loaded with nitrates and unhealthy fats that clog blood vessels. Poor circulation equals weaker mornings. Sugary foods and cereals spike blood sugar, leading to energy crashes and hormone imbalance. Refined carbs like white bread and bagels turn into sugar instantly, causing inflammation and stiffness. Too much alcohol weakens testosterone production and interrupts sleep, both critical for morning strength. These foods may seem harmless, but over time, they drain your energy, reduce blood flow, and affect bedroom confidence. Here are better swaps you can start today. Choose whole grains like oats or sprouted bread instead of white bread. Go for lean proteins like fish, chicken, or beans instead of processed meats. Snack on nuts and seeds for healthy fats that boost circulation. Add leafy greens like spinach and kale. They're full of magnesium, which supports blood flow and testosterone. And don't forget healthy fats from avocado, olive oil, or walnuts. These keep hormones balanced. So here's a simple nightly routine. After dinner, take your vitamin D3 supplement, 1,000 to 2,000 IU, unless your doctor prescribes more, paired with a small handful of walnuts or a boiled egg. Both provide fats that help absorb the vitamin. Drink a glass of water and aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Within weeks, many men notice more energy during the day, better strength, and yes, improved morning vitality. My friends, aging doesn't mean losing your strength or your masculinity. Small, smart choices can help you feel younger, more confident, and more independent. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with another man over 60, and subscribe for more simple health strategies designed just for you. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.